So in today's video, I will teach you how you can make a range setting system. So basically, when you are sitting inside the room, sometimes rain is coming, so that's why you need to turn on your shop shutter or close your shop shutter even when rain is coming, or when rain stops, it will automatically shutter will be closed. So that's why I made a simple demo little project, which is the total I can make a below level using Arduino powering by power bank. Arduino 5 volt ground magnetic board is servo 5 volt ground plus this range sensor. Range sensor is a digital range sensor with sensor. Range sensor 5 volt plus servo 5 volt plus error servo 5 volt alternative Arduino 5 volt, Arduino ground, servo ground plus range sensor ground are drawn together. And this is a digital sensor. So this is digital 3 of Arduino, and digital 11, 9 and 10 are PWM output pins which are connected the servo signal pins. Now this is a water, which is a salt water in this tap. Now its arduino shutter is closed. When I apply the water into a stirrer, and clean the sensor off with my now apply water again. Carefully never apply this water into the other components, without this salt water it will shortly. Any other thing if I apply accidentally and apply to the other things. And clean the sensor. Clean again. Then retry. Make sure water is not falling inside the main board, Arduino and any other component of the sensor. Instead, this must play. And you can see it's suddenly open, but it's not open very well, but still be open. And once it's dry, cleaning zone, it will come to back position. So this way you have made a small project for raining setting system. And this is the end of the next video. I soon with totally I upload show you in laptop screen using screen share, because this way is not clear. We've seen in the laptop screen, so that time screen recording in the laptop screen, then explain the coding in here and pause. Servo controlling lane shuttle system. So there is code servo as includes servo data library, the define sensor pin 3. We define the sensor digital pin 3, servo 1, servo 2. So here we put the two servo. Initially integer post equals 0. So servo by default position is 0. White setup baud 9066. Servo attach 1, attach pin 10 PWM pin. Servo 2 attach pin number 9, which is also pin PWM pin. White loop. Sensor value equals digital read the sensor pin. So it will read the sensor pin. Say up in the sensor value. If sensor value equals 1, servo 1 wide 180 degrees angle, servo 2 wide 180 degree angle. Delay 10 seconds. If sensor value equals 0, servo 1 wide 0, servo 2 wide 0 for 10, delay 10. So if sensor value is greater than, meaning 1, digital value. So 1 or servo 2 move 180 degree angle and wait for 10 seconds. If sensor value equals 0, which is less greater than 0, server 1 or server 2, position is 0, delay for 10 milliseconds. And this is a small tutorial, and this video is pause